Hey, good morning, and welcome to 11th grade English. We are going to get going today. This semester, we're going to be reading the novel The Lord of the Flies by William Golding. It's a really good story. It's an important book that's still talked about today. So I think it's an important story that we read and we learn about. Just a couple things about the class. We're going to meet on Mondays and Thursdays at 8:30 in the morning. Mondays, if we don't have school, we'll meet on Tuesday. So like today, there's no school, so we'll meet on Tuesday. Next week, there's no school, so we'll meet on Tuesday at 8:30. Otherwise, Mondays at 8:30 and Thursdays at 8:30. Mondays, we'll go over the reading and the assignments for the week. And then Thursdays, we'll go over the quiz. So for classwork, week 1, you just have one assignment. It's the background information for Lord of the Flies. You'll only be able to see the week that we're on once we get to that week. So like week 2, you won't be able to see that yet because we're not there quite yet. But as you can see in week 2, there's things that you're supposed to read. So here's the copy of the 2 chapters you'll read and the questions that you'll do eventually. But we'll talk about that next week. So this week, you're just doing the background information. So this is a story about a group of boys that gets stranded on an island, and they're trying to survive. So there's no adults, it's just kids, and they're all boys. And so they're trying to figure out, how do we survive? How do we create order? So it's a little bit of a survival story and a little bit of kind of they're trying to create their own government, I guess you could say, and have order and rules and give each person a role and a job. And you can probably imagine it doesn't go super well. So in order to understand this story, there's some background information that we need. So what you're going to do is gather that information this week. So on the slides, any white box, you're going to be typing in. So the link, there's going to be a link on every slide. It's going to be in blue and underlined. So like right here is our link. The link will have all the information and answers that you need. Okay, so when was the author born and where? This article will have that information for you. Okay, so you'll read through it and answer all the questions on this page. Then you'll go to the next one, Beelzebub. This will have a different link that'll take you, and you'll answer that. World War II, the atomic bombs, PTSD, Sigmund Freud. So who is he? And then the id, definition of the id, examples of the id. Definition of the ego, examples of the ego. Definition of the superego, and examples down here. This one has videos that you can watch. Okay, so there's 2 different videos. Your opinion, this is just what do you believe and why. For the book covers, so on slide 9, you're going to use the pictures on slide 10. You're just looking at these different covers. This book has been reprinted a lot of different times with a lot of different covers. So you're looking for similarities and differences of the covers. And then, so that's slide 10. Slide 11 is instructions for what you do on slide 12. Basically, you're creating a collage, so you need pictures of the different things that you researched, okay? So you'll add the pictures here, make sure they're all visible. So that's your assignment for the week. This is due on Friday. So assignments are posted Monday, quizzes will be posted Thursday, and all the work for the week will be due on Fridays. So this assignment is due this Friday. If you have any questions at all, please email me, lnelms@caldwellschools.org. I'll respond as fast as I can and help you out as much as I can, okay? So if you were not able to attend the meet this morning, go ahead and email me the attendance word. The attendance word of the week is water bottle. So if you missed the meet this morning and you're watching this lesson now, email me just the word water bottle, and I will count you present for attendance for today. All right? That is all I have for you for this week. Have a great week.